Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about one of the best and used indicators among the traders in the world. It's a RSI, and it's a very good indicator and tools that you can use to measure the momentum and the trend in a stock, forex, or crypto. It's very important you understand how it works, and you can see and don't get fooled about the signals. You have to check out for the price and then measure against the RSI, so you don't get lost in the charts. It can be a disaster, and it's a known issue with the oscillators if you don't are careful about those indicators. So I have made a little presentation so you can follow along and see how it works. Here we go. Let's talk about RSI. It stands for Relative Strength Index. It's developed by J. Wells Weiler. He published a book 1978, the new concept in technical trading system, and it's very, very popular. I would say it's one of the most popular indicators we got out there. It's an oscillating indicator. It's designed to measure the stock's momentum and then both speed and size of price changes. Well, how to calculate the relative strength? This is the equation. You use the average gain and average losses and divide it, and you got the relative strength. Usually you use 14 days, but it can be shorter and longer. It depends on how you trade it. Well, how do we measure the RSI momentum? We got the grade from 0 to 100, and the 0 is bearish and the 100 is bullish. And an RSI moves between 30 and 17 most of the time. RSI is secret number one. When the market is trending up or down, and is heavily trending up or down, you have to be careful, because RSI as an oscillator can be very nasty, and you have to be prepared for that. As you can see in this example of Nvidia, you can see here it's overbought here as this place, and it's going down and pull back, and then going up here a little bit, and then a gap, and trending heavy up. But if we look at the RSI, you can see it shows oversold here, as it did before. So you have to be prepared. You have to take notice of the different when it comes to price, and when RSI can't react on the trend and price at the right way. RSI secret number two, you can improve your win rate and using RSI as a great trend momentum tool, and I will show you in this case. In a bullish momentum, we can see here, when it's crossed the 50 line here, it's time to buy. In a bearish momentum, when it's crossed the 50 here, it's time to sell, getting short. So it's a great tool to use when you have a trendy market, and using it as a momentum tool. And now some bonus tips how you can enter your timing wheel position. And an RSI has a standard period setting as 14, but you can use a different period. If you use 10 period RSI, it will move a bit faster and react faster on the price. In this example, you can see here the RSI move and cross the below the 30. It's time to get long. And how you exit your time with precision. When you're long, you exit when a cross get over the 60 line, and when you're short, when the RSI cross below the 40 line. This is the 40 line, and this is the 60 line. To sum this presentation about RSI, the RSI measure momentum. The RSI is perfect to measure the momentum, and it's also perfect to trade with a trend, both up and down, long and short. And it helps you to capture a swing. So now we've seen the presentation. Maybe you have a lot of questions. So please write and comment it in the video. It helps me a lot if you subscribe and like this video, so we can grow and get out a lot of nice videos to help each other, because we are colleagues and we have to help each other to don't do a lot of stupid things when it comes to trading. We want to make money, not lose money, won't we? That's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and it was interesting, and hope we see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.